How's it going, everybody? So today we are reviewing this cooler, portable cooler, and I cannot wait. We like to travel in our Jeep, and we needed something like this that matches the ruggedness of our Jeep. This is portable, so you don't have to have any cables connected or power outlets. Let's go over some features. They have nice durable handles on both sides, so you can carry it from here and carry it from here. If you want to actually lift it up, it has wheels on the bottom, and you pull these out by pushing these pins forward on both sides. That allows you to lift it up and easily push and pull it anywhere you want to go, even in tall grass. That's not a problem. And one hand, no problem. So yeah, that's awesome. For the lids, they're not gonna automatically open on you if you tilt it. You just lift up the handle and it pops right open. So here's the settings on here, which is nice. You can look at the other compartment. So I love how they've done this, and you also have a drain plug right there. So if you put ice inside, you can drain it easily. So if you're not gonna wanna use the DC, I recommend getting their battery. That way you don't have to have any cables, any power outlets. You're just good to go. The battery's gonna go right inside here. Just pull up this little piece here. We're gonna put that right down in here, and we're gonna place the battery down inside. Also, cool fact is you can go from anywhere from -4 degrees to up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit with the unit. You have 3 sizes: 43, 52, 61 quarts, and it does cool to 0 degrees even if it's 90 degrees outside. And for more settings, you can use their app to control it as well. I do want to show you their battery. You can actually use their battery for other stuff. You can use this for charging. So solar, we can hook up a solar panel to this and it will charge the battery. You can charge devices. You can charge this. So in and out means you can charge something with a Type-C, or you can charge this unit with a Type-C. So that's pretty cool. So the battery itself just simply drops in, and when you want to take it out, you lift the handle and pull it out. When you're putting it in, don't just drop it in hard, just line it up nice and slow. Make sure the pins connect, and you can hear it click. So you'll hear it click, and you know that it's completely in. So, fun fact, this unit is in sleep mode. So to get it from sleep mode, you just simply connect a Type-C cable with a power supply source, and that will activate it. And then you will turn the lights on. And fun fact, you can also charge this with other power banks. So you could use little power banks, take them with you, have a bunch of power banks and charge this up. But I recommend getting a couple of these batteries if you do a lot of trips. All right, so this is the unit. As you can see, you can set the temp. It shows you the left side and the right side, which is pretty cool. You can adjust, you can set eco mode, you can have max. You can simply adjust. It's pretty simple, like how they design this. So let's open this up. Oh my word, it's getting cold. So more accessories inside here, power cable. So if you don't have your battery, or if you want to charge your battery, they give you your power cable, AC cable. Is it AC? AC or DC? AC DC. So that's in there, but it's already cooling. That's rapid. And by the way, you got little light on the side here. So one thing I'm actually noticing, it is super quiet. Like, I thought it wasn't running at first, but no, it is. It's super quiet. You have a light on this side as well. That's actually impressive. Like, you know, normally a refrigerator, when it's running, it's like, not this. And when we turn it off, you can hear it turn off. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome. I know people are going to wonder where I got this from, and I'm going to be happy to tell them. And if you need a reason to get a Jeep Wrangler, take a look at what we got over here. So on our Jeep, we have a nice little tray. So that means we can set stuff on here. You can see our cooler in here. So this fits perfect. Obviously I got to turn it around the other side, but this is nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. They did a fantastic job. And by the way, you can set cups in here as well. So it's kind of like they built it into the design. Overall, I'm very impressed with this. I actually really do like this a lot. It's easy to use. There's no headaches, there's no complications. And if you're somebody who doesn't like using apps, you don't have to use the app. But if you want more features, you can easily use the app.